Hi there everyone, and welcome back to another video on Broke Boy Customs. Today we are going to be doing a deep interior clean on the shell of my project car. The reason why we're doing that is because, as you guys know, at the end of the month this car is going in for a full body respray.
So excited! So excited!
And I just like the car to be presentable when it gets there, so they can get straight onto it as the car arrives, so they don't have to do too much cleaning and prepping. We just need to get this knocked out of the park, because as you guys know, we are on a strict timeline to make it for VW Campfest 2K25. I've already purchased the ticket, as you guys have seen. I've posted it on social media. So yeah, we are attending this year. I'm not hearing no stories, I'm not making any excuses. We are going all out for this one. So yeah, let's get into today's video. So we are going to start by just sweeping up all these leaves and sticks and all this nonsense before we go in with the actual cloth to clean the surface. Let's go. Now that we have done the driver side, I'm just going to give the passenger side a wipe down, because I did clean that the last time I attempted this. And once we've given the passenger side a wipe down, we'll move over to the back half of the floor, and then we're going to move over to the fuel tank and the boot, and we're going to get to all those good stuff later. But yeah, the first can continue with wipe up this area and then proceed to the back half. Let's go. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have cleaned up the entire front half of the vehicle, and this is what the bucket of plain water looks like. Let's lock onto that.
This is totally abnormal, and we should not normalize this.
It's not a bucket of plain water looks like. This is the bucket of soapy water. Guys, that's just the front half of the car.
What the?
That's just the front half. But anyway, now that that's done, we are going to proceed to the back half of the floor. This is going to be the worst part. As you guys can see, there's a lot of dirt in this area, which we do need to clean up. So let's get started. guys can see, we've cleaned up. Don't mind that. We have cleaned up the entire floor section. This is just material that's rubber that's stuck on, so we're just going to leave that for now. But as you can see, everything is cleaned up, and now it's time to move over to the back seat area, which will be fairly easy. Also the railings, and then the boot area. So yeah, let's get to it, shall we? And also, if you are enjoying the content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, so you don't miss out on the progress of this build. Okay, so we have just completed with the deep clean for the interior. Let's have a look and see what we've done so far. Right, so as you guys can see, we did the passenger side, driver side. We do need to tackle this, as I said, we do need to tackle it first before that rust becomes a problem again. So yeah, we did this deep interior clean. Apologies for the spare wheel section. That is actually going to get cut out and redone because there are a few imperfections on that, so we will be dealing with that. But interior is not looking too bad as of now. Yeah, and that will be all for today's video. If you did enjoy the content, once again, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to VW Campfest 2K25 on the 7th of February. So yeah, the next update to come on this car is a good one. It's going to be about these bad boys right here, and we will be, once again, we've just done the deep clean on the interior. So now that the car is fully prepped to go to the spray painter, we'll be doing that at the end of the month, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But the next video to come up will be about the life wheels. So yeah, Once again, if you are enjoying the content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what you guys think about the deep clean we did on the interior of the shell of the project car. And yeah, let's go.
Oh boy, Hakim is a killer.